तो बात बन जाए.
Dilita
Can
Man.
you guess who is the singer of this song?
Singer is Nazia Hassan, but the
Yes,
Right.
yes.
And this is, I don't even need to say which person am I going to talk about. You can always see her. She's already acting over there. So Toastmaster Tina, she she is this person who likes the singer a lot, and this particular song holds a lot of memories for her along with her dad. So Toastmaster Tina will be evaluating Toastmaster Natasha.
Thank you, Toastmaster Shelma. Good evening, dear Toastmasters, dear guests, and of course, my lovely target speaker, Toastmaster Natasha. My evaluation is going to be done in the Tabata process, the way she makes us do. Starting off with the good points, taking a rest for the recommendations, and then coming back for just one rep, unlike the 4 reps she makes us do. She started off asking us a lot of questions and engaging our attention. She wanted to know exactly where we stand in terms of her theme of research. Her title itself had a lot of mystery and made me wonder exactly where she was going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, going. She started to explain exactly what she wanted to put across. She even named her prefrontal cortex Priyanka Chopra. So she brought in a lot of humor too. The ease with which you speak only reiterates the fact that you are a vintage speaker. Of course, you had a lot of information and a lot of facts, and you presented it in such an interesting way that you caught our attention and maintained it throughout. But since this is a research and presentation project, I wish you brought in a little bit of facts or a little bit of information on the study from which you got this information so that we can also go back as reference points. And also because it's a research and presentation, I felt we lacked the visual aids which would have given us a much of a pictorial representation of your Priyanka Chopra. You did bring in a lot of real life experiences and connected it also to your Priyanka Chopra. So that definitely augmented your speech. But of course, being that, and you also ended it as a full circle by so putting it across as your experience and adding the 3, 2, 1, go towards the end and connecting it to the timer in Toastmasters, which was really efficient speaking. Of course, you being a wonderful speaker, do continue what you have always been doing with your clear, crisp, concise communication style. But as a research, if you could put in a little bit of visual aids and also added in the information as to where you got the study and these wonderful facts, it would have made your speech super, super, super great. So in summary, continue what you're doing, just add in these additional points, and I feel that your Tabata session will definitely bring a lot of benefits. 3, 2, 1, go. Over to you, Toastmaster Shelma.
Thank you, Toastmaster Tina. It was lovely. Okay. Now, this actress was the first lady superstar of Bollywood. She made her Bollywood debut as a lead star with the film Solva Savan in 1978. Can you all guess this iconic actress?
Sridevi.
Yes, right. Who said that? Lovely. Okay, yes, it is indeed Sri Devi. And our next evaluator is also a huge fan of Sri Devi. I found a similarity between the two, other than not only the face part, but I mean, they both speak, I felt, with their eyes. You know, Sri Devi, when she speaks, she uses her eyes a lot. Sorry, when she acts. And even Toastmaster Seema, I think, speaks through her eyes. So that is the similarity I found. And yes, let's welcome Toastmaster Seema, who will be evaluating Toastmaster Masrat.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Shelma. I never knew that I speak through my eyes. It's a good compliment that you have given me. Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. Effective communication is as important to us like the food that we consume every day. It can make us healthy and also toxic. Today, Toastmaster Masrat walked us through the different types or the styles of communication that we can actually incorporate in our life, we can learn and apply it in our life as well. Toastmaster Masrat, I really liked the way you tried to bring in stories, your personal stories to each style of communication, the way you enacted it, and you were extremely expressive. And each style you included the relationship, a communication style in which you speak with your husband, with your mother-in-law, the incident in the school, and also brought showstoppers at Toastmasters also what kind of communication we use here. Now, what I really liked the most in your speech is the subtle way in which you bring humor into your speech. In every way, in a very subtle manner, you explained it and also brought humor into each of the style of communication. And I also, what I really learned is, if you're not able to express yourself, if you're not able to communicate yourself, what can actually go wrong is a beautiful incident that you shared with us, what happened during your college days. Now, probably to enhance your speech or to take it to another level, what I would personally suggest is, rather than telling us what the style of communication is, probably first you could have enacted it and then asked us a question, what do you think, what kind of communication this could be? So there would have been an element of curiosity, and then probably you could have explained. And also the fourth communication that you explained, the supportive type of communication style. Since you had a little more time, I saw that your timings were 6 minutes and 15 seconds. You could have added in a little more of a story because you have a brilliant way of enacting. Your enacting skills is brilliant. So you could have entertained us a little more in that way as well. So to summarize with it, brilliant execution of different communication style with great content and delivery and a great sense of humor. Hope you will take into consideration the recommendation I have given so that you can take your speech onto a very high level next time. All the best, Toastmaster Masrat. Over to you, Toastmaster Shelma. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Toastmaster Seema. That's nice. Now, can we have Toastmaster Flemmy with the timer report?
Okay. For our evaluators, first evaluator, Toastmaster Manpreet, she took 2 minutes, 2 seconds. Toastmaster Tina, 3 minutes, 8 seconds. And Toastmaster Seema, 2 minutes, 47 seconds. All are qualified.
Good. So all are qualified, and now the polls will be open for voting. Only Toastmasters are allowed to vote. So you all can, the voting will come. Okay. Now, the next part of our theme. Let's now, okay, I'll just show you all some things and you all have to guess some songs. I have a guitar here. You all guess an actress who is holding a guitar in her hand and guess the song for me.
You already said, Anita.
I want you to sing also, Anita.
All of you.
Yeah, okay, that's lovely. Okay, now here, can you all see this?